Now, Messi is mesmerizing India in it's now a reality as the GOAT has touched down. The football fever is soaring. Messi has virtually unveiled a massive 70-foot statue in Salt Lake City, the first of its kind in India. Visuals show Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan with his son Abraham alongside Messi at the unveiling, and this over 75,000 fans were present roaring at the event. Messi is also meeting Saurav Ganguly and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in Kolkata. And from Kolkata, the frenzy is set to move to Hyderabad and Mumbai. The tour wraps up in Delhi with a meeting with the Prime Minister and a special session at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. My colleague Shreshi reports from Kolkata. Take a look.
Shah Rukh Khan, Lionel Messi.
Messi fever has gripped City of Joy, and short while from now he will be taking center stage at the Salt Lake Stadium. Fans have been lining up since morning to catch a glimpse of the legendary football icon. People dressed in blue, white, painting their faces, donning Messi's jersey. Sir, you're wearing a Messi's jersey. I'm assuming you're a Messi fan.
Yeah, exactly.
Since when did you wake up, come to the stadium? It's been a busy Saturday morning.
I woke up at 5 a.m. I'm coming from Durgapur.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm coming from Durgapur. I woke up at 5 a.m. So
How excited are you to catch a glimpse?
so excited. I love Messi. I love his tactics. I love his dribbling. So any penalty score or dribbling or everything. So I love that.
I live in Bangalore, and by coincidence I have to be here. I'm so happy that everything matched because I really wanted to see Messi in person.
This might be just for Messi, but when there is the arch rivalry between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, which makes the crux of Bengal's football, there is far more crowd, and today as well, children, foreigners, visitors from across the country coming in to get a glimpse of Lionel Messi. And of course, the grand show will kickstart from here, Salt Lake Stadium. He landed last night, in fact, early this morning around 1:30 a.m. in Kolkata, and since then he has been put under tight security by the Kolkata police as well as the Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate. All roads today lead to the Salt Lake Stadium, and what a day it is. Lionel Messi live from Kolkata. With GD Shankar, Sreshide for NDTV.